Hello children, in the last video we have discussed the political science unit 1 the problems of India and their solutions. In that unit we have discussed the first point, that is unemployment. Secondly, we have discussed about the second important point is corruption. Third important point in that unit is discrimination. Today, let us discuss about the fourth important point in this video: communalism, terrorism, corporate strategies. The first and the foremost problem that we are facing in our society is communalism. Communalism means how our people are fighting for in the name of communities like Hindu community, Muslim community, Zoroastrianism, Christianity, etc. are some of the important communities we found in our country. This has become a major problem in our country. And let us see what is the meaning of communalism. Segregation in the name of religion, Hindu religion, Muslim religion, Christianity, like that, and creating hatredness and cultivating opposite self-interests can be called as communalism. So, people are fighting in the name of religion and they are creating hatredness and cultivating opposite self-interest among them, then it has become one of the communalism problem in the society. Suppose if the communalism is there in the society, means there will be no political development, no social development and no economic developments we found in the society. It creates more number of social differences as well as mutual suspicion and fear situations in the society. Secondly, political competition are also undertaken among the society. Social groupism and economic hatefulness has also been expressed in communalism, and it also have endangered the integrity and unity of India. It also disturbs the peace of the society, and it also destroys public and private property. It leads to mutual accusation and physical assaults and other undesirable effects. It also puts self-interest ahead of national interest, and the communal forces make attempts to increase their communal forces in the country. With the help of this, they attempted to preach their religion and tend to be suspicions of other religions. This affects the unity of the nation. As a result, what will happen is the country has to spend a lot of energy to maintain internal peace and order. For this purpose, a lot of precautions has to be undertaken and they have to address the challenge posed by communalism. Some of the important ideas are as like a uniform civil code. Firstly, we have to undertake in the society. Secondly, we have to give prominence to equality among the citizens. Thirdly, we have to support for secular values. Secular values means equality in the field of religion and right to equality for all religious people in the society. Transcending a narrow thoughts in favor of national interest is also one of the important solutions for communalism, and economic and social inequality could fuel the communalism. Some of the important attempts that we have to foster the faith of all the people and develop healthy national thoughts. Some of the precautions has to be undertaken to check communalism. Otherwise, it would spoil the integrity equality, fraternity, friendly relationship. Fraternity means friendly relationship. And cultural diversity. Diversity means different types of culture we found in the country. And our citizens should commit themselves for secular society. So, with the help of uniform civil code, equality, secular values, supporting secular values, and narrow thoughts in favor of national interest are some of the solutions that we can undertake to end our communalism. Self-interest has to be introduced among the national interests of the people. The next important problem, that is the status of women. Status is very important for every person. Here, the status of women is the achievement of women during pre-independent India are notable. In the earlier period, there were no equality among men and women in the society. In the educational field, in the economic field, in the political field, she has not given any importance to participate in social economic activities. Some of the important personalities like Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, Kittur Rani Chennamma, Annie Besant, Kasturba Gandhi, Savitri Bai Phule, Sarojini Naidu are some of the important memorable women freedom fighters. Now, women are present in all walks of life like medical, teaching, engineering, pilot, astronaut, police, politics, military, and other areas. Still, the status of women needs a lot of improvement. The status of women has remained low due to social customs, poverty, and illiteracy. Because of this, it affects the progress of the country. For this purpose, we have to take certain measures with the support of government. The government also started Women and Child Development Department in order to develop women's education and status. Through various measures are undertaken by the government to improve the status, health improvement, educational improvement of women, and some of the other important programs also undertaken to curb child marriage system, early marriage among the women. So we have to solve this problem, and our judiciary also has fixed the marriage age for the girls 18 years. Dowry Prohibition Act also undertaken in our country to solve the problems of women. Compulsory education has to be given from the age of 6 to 14. Primary education has been made free and compulsory so that she can come out with the problems and can solve her role in the society. And empowering a women power in the society. The government of Karnataka also has implemented Stree Shakti program. So which program the government has undertaken is Stree Shakti program. Accordingly, self-help groups of women are formed and foster as the means of social progress. Various cooperative formations like Stree Shakti, self-help groups, associations of self-help groups have also been formed. Women's Commission has also established at national and state level to address the various issues of women. Some of the important attempts also are taken to provide reservations for women in state and national legislature bodies. Women reservations has already been provided at local bodies. Women reservation is also provided in government recruitments. Recruitment means jobs in the government offices. Some of the women personalities are as follows. Pratibha Patil became the first women president. You already know Indira Gandhi, the first women Prime Minister of our India. Sarojini Naidu became the first women governor. Sucheta Krupalani, the first women Chief Minister in India. Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister for a long time. Pratibha Patel was the President of India. Many women have performed various roles as ambassadors, governors, ministers, chief ministers, and many others have influential positions and have performed well. The success of these women has been inspirational for many women. Like this, we can support our society to improve the status of women. Fifth important point that problem of our country is terrorism. Terrorism can also be called as extremism. This is a method putting pressure on a government. Terrorism based on political ideologies, religious faiths, and ideological beliefs creates a lot of loss for the individuals as well as communities. Moreover, terrorism which creates psychological pain and influences the cultural aspects negatively. So, we should not support these type of problems and we have to throw this problem from the society. Terrorism is nothing but fulfilling its narrow end by creating panic and violence. It feeds on fear of the people. These are organized crimes. These are organized crimes purported by organized group of people. Such activities are called anti-national and anti-social acts. In that, bombing of World Trade Center of USA became the first important disastrous terrorist activities we found. Secondly, bomb attack on Bali of Indonesia. Thirdly, bombing various cities of France, Britain and other countries are the reasons for worries at international level. The terrorism is based on extreme religious sentiments, separatism, rationalism, leftist ideas. Often a country founds and supports terrorism in another country. Some of the terrorism targets are the civilians of the country, military bases, and also targets specific communities with specific languages, religion, and race and skin color to create maximum terror among them. Terrorism also aims at creating more fear by killing people. They also use explosives, deadly gases to attain their goal. Killings done by terrorists are pre-planned. They work with their own network of intelligence. They employ modern day gadgets and means of transportation. They targeted busy areas like airports, railway stations, markets, and other areas to attack. They seek to spread their goals along with this violence. They also use tactics like suicide bombing, kidnapping innocent people to attain their targeted aims. India is one of the countries in the world that has been the target of terrorism for many years. Terrorism is and when was there in the states like Nagaland, Manipur, Kashmir, Punjab and other areas. There was attack on Taj Hotel in Mumbai on November 26, 2007. Similarly, the Parliament House had also been the target of terrorism. Terrorists have targeted the places like Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Bodh Gaya, and other places to create panic. Even our neighboring countries like Pakistan and China also have accused of supporting and aiding terrorism in our country. India also have criticized terrorism in our countries also. Even all of you also has to criticize to end this problem. Our central and state government have taken most care to stop terrorism, as well as we are also striving hard to protect our property and the life of ordinary people. They have been created special elite means superior forces to tackle these terrorist problems and their activities. And peace loving India, of course, it is a peace loving country. So we should not support this issue and we have to take more initiatives to stop terrorism. To look into history, it also says that a very little has been achieved by violent activities like terrorism. At the same time, history has been made by employing truth, non-violence and love. The killing of people like Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi did not erase their efforts to achieve progress through peace. Whereas actions of Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Muhammad Paigambara, Basava, Gandhi, Nehru, Ambedkar, Martin Luther, Nelson Mandela and others have given their new light, new paths, new life to the people all over the world. Peace and love are greater than violence and hate. Like this, we can work to solve the problem of terrorism and we will throw the root of terrorism from India. The last important 6-point problem of our country is corporate strategy. So this is a new issue. So let us see what is the meaning of corporate strategy. Corporate strategy means the strategies have been the biggest challenge in front of Indian society since the beginning of 21st century. A group of administrative measures which are undertaken by a company to achieve a pre-mediated target is called corporate strategy. The present day corporate strategies are using globalized environment and modern technologies. The main aim of these strategies are maximizing the profits of the company. This affects the people, the society, and a country negatively. Often, the corporate strategies influence the decisions of the government also. On the positive side, the same corporate companies can be employed to alleviate social problems. So let us see what are the social problems like poverty, malnutrition, health, skill training and many other aspects of society. Through corporate social responsibility CSR programs, the government need to mandate such initiatives through appropriate legal measures. Only with such initiatives the Indian society can channelize the corporate strategies in favor of the society. So here you have to know the meaning of corporate strategy. What is corporate strategy? a group of administrative measures undertaken by a company to achieve pre-mediated target. So what are the important aims of these strategies? Maximizing the profits of the company, how it affects, and we will face certain problems, social problems, poverty, malnutrition, health, skill training, etc. And corporate social responsibility programs are undertaken with the support of government, and appropriate legal measures are undertaken to end this type of corporate strategies. Like this, today we have covered the fourth important point, that is communalism, terrorism, and corporate strategies. Like this, we ended the 6 important problems of India and their solutions from this video. Thank you, children.